Those words run so fast it's hard to read. Fast enough, you know to sing. But, oh yeah, I remember, a lot of you, what's called Castro City, remember that? Yeah, Mountain View.
Lonely feeling deep inside. Find a corner where I can hide. Silent footsteps crowding me. Sudden darkness, but I can see. No sugar tonight in my coffee. No sugar tonight in my tea. No sugar to stand beside of me. No sugar to run with me. Down, 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 down. In the silence of her mind, quiet moments, or I can find, grabbing for me with her eyes. Now I'm falling from a sky. No sugar tonight in my coffee. No sugar tonight in my tea. No sugar to stand beside of me. No sugar to run with me. Down, 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 Jack says yes, and I believe me more about the things I say. She hasn't got the faith or the guts to leave me with us standing in each other's way. If you're the back now, you face you've been to, you wonder what you're gonna find. You know you've been wrong, but it won't be long before you leave it all behind. 'Cause it's new Mother Nature taking over. It's new Mother Lady coming home. Like I lost a friend. There's no use calling when the sky's falling and I get up brilliant again. Smoke filled room in the corner basement. The situation must be right. A bag of goodies and a bottle of wine. We're gonna get it all right tonight. 'Cause it's new Mother Nature taking over. It's new Smelly Lady coming home. It's new Mother Nature taking over. Getting zone, getting zone. Cause it's innocent, I believe in life. The things I see,
All right, so one thing.